Good morning, loves. Toodles. Toodles, hello. Toodles, goodbye. So, it's early in the morning. What's up? No, not that early. ¿Qué horas son, mija? ¿Ah? Son las 12. Oye, debías de echarlos al baño porque viene el borrego. ¿Qué no? No, mija. Porque va a venir también este vato. Échalos de una vez. ¿Qué te dije en la mañana?
Yeah, but Borrego's not coming until after lunch.
Oh, he said?
Yeah.
Oh, well, the man.
Porque hace lo sufrí allá.
Okay. Damn, you're already sweating, huh? You're already sweating? Like,
Yeah, because I
was it
outside.
what? She was outside and she was sweating, guys. Let's put this more over here so block that. Oh, there. It's because Julia's making me. ¿Qué horas dijiste que eran 10:30?
No, almost 12.
Almost 12, boy. It's almost noon. Noon it up. Noon it up. And there. It's because there's a car right here, and it's the glass from their lights. Me hace así. También ahorita me hace un vasito de agua. Julia's making my... It's because we're waiting for this mechanic that's gonna come and fix my Buick. I already had cashed him a couple of $100 so he could buy the parts. Which was less than 200, but he can keep it because whatever he's gonna charge me for labor, and then what else was I gonna say? Come here, guys.
We don't have yellow cheese right now. Only white cheese.
Oh, really? Okay, I guess white it'll be. Yeah, white's fine. So she's gonna make me some chicos tacos, some roll flautas with the tomato sauce, and instead of using that pato sauce, which we did buy it for this. I put on my glasses. She did buy me the pato sauce, but I just sort of put the tomato sauce and a little squirt of sriracha. Hi, this boob looks small. What the hell? Is it gonna start shrinking to fit this thing? This one's a little smaller, so okay, weird. Anyways, it goes with yellow shredded cheese, and we only have the mozzarella. So, ¿ah? Velos, sácalo para que esté arriba de Sandra's freezer para que se vaya descuajando.
No, because we have the other cheese. So why have... Por eso se van haciendo mal. They were going back.
Estás haciendo más flautitas, ¿verdad? Sí. Perdón, ¿me vas a hacer más flautitas, verdad, mija? Sí, dame un fork y luego me das un vasito de agua. Yeah, true. I just put my shot on yesterday or the day before. And once I put my Manjaro shot, I can't. There's like a day before my Manjaro, I get very hungry and I eat it like a lot that day, more towards the evening. But the day after or two, I can't eat very much. So, look, this looks very yummy. Look at it. So you go in, or you can make your own flautas at home with chicken or ground beef or like deshebrada, right? Carne deshebrada beef. Had you already heated up the flautas?
Yeah, they're in the air.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
Too hot.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the mechanic, but my friend Tweety called me earlier and told me, hey girl, my brother-in-law, which is the mechanic, is going to be there in about 30 minutes, so boom, we started getting ready. I didn't have time to shower. be honest. It takes me about 25 minutes to shower. It's fast when you're doing it like that, the way I do it in the chair. I think it's like 25 minutes. But it's not hurting. ¿Tienes el número de Víctor? Ojo. Okay, you'll probably want to call me, but I'll see if I can pause it to answer his call, but if not, I'll have to do a double video. This is so yummy. Yeah, I tell you, in El Paso, Texas, we have a famous restaurant called Chico's Tacos. Yes. Ground beef flautas rolled and corn tortillas. And then we would make them and we would fry them. I'm saying we because I worked at this, I was manager at this place called Hot Bun. And it was basically a copy of that, of Chico's Tacos. So, like 2 days out of the week, we would put the tortillas in the microwave so get them soft, and then you have the meat already, and then and then you roll them up and pile them in this big box, see? And then you fry your tortillas, right? You have your flautas ready in your plate, in your, like a long extended plate like this. However many you want, right? You have your sauce over here, which you can do tomato sauce and sriracha, tomato sauce and whatever salsita you like. Heat it up over the stove and stuff, and then you drench the sauce, and then you just add cheese. And Chico's Tacos, it's yellow cheese, okay? What's that? Like cheddar. It's not sharp cheddar though. That's just no tiene esencia. It's not nothing hard about it. But it's very hard for me to move in my kitchen and do things myself because I have a low stove. I have to get up all that. If I did it, which I can, I have done cook before, but it's hard because I have to like, okay, go to the fridge, get the things that I'm gonna use, right? And then go to the stove and get my pans ready and get whatever I have. And all that, it's just a little bit of walking around, getting off my stool to go here, you know, like this. That already gets me vertical dizzy. Whenever we went and we found that I had vertigo, and my vision was really bad, but they still hadn't done the cataracts. So, así se llama, the cataract surgery. So I couldn't see very well. And so my doctor had already told Julia that he didn't want me in the kitchen cooking because, you know, this eye wasn't that good. So it could, if I'm on the stove, when it splatters, it'll mess up my eyes big time. What's this? I'm watching one of my favorite movies. I love it. Remember I told you about it? Profoundly Normal. Profoundly Normal with Kirstie Alley. I used to watch a lot here on Tubi. I don't know if they're still there. Wildflower. And that's with the... Not Rosanna Arquette. What's the other sister's name? ¿Cómo se llama la hermana de la Rosanna Arquette? Yeah, I think Patricia Arquette. Wildflower with her, and Reese Witherspoon is on that one as well. Guys, this nail fell off in it. I took off the cocoa, so it has the cocoa. But I'm gonna do the display today, tomorrow. White. Today's Wednesday, right? Yeah, I might go to church. I might go to church tonight. If Rachel is gonna go alone, I'll go with her. Guys, get over there. Se me tocó un elotito, mija. No tengo corn. ¿Qué más, mijitas, que había en la hielera de leftovers?
I think there's still some macaroni salad left.
Oh, really? You think it's still good? When did you make it? Sunday? Sí, échame la macaroni salad. Por favor. ¿Ya no vas a comer tú? Macaroni? No, ¿verdad? She made a really good macaroni salad. And you're gonna run out of mayo. So FYI for you guys, shortcuts. If you run out of mayo, put in whatever mayo you have and then some sour cream in there. I never did sour cream for my salads. Mira, guys, I see all these little slime things right here in a big pile, and they remind me of Jello shots, right, girl? Okay. Okay, I'll put it in my pan right now. Let me help you, darling. La la la. Anyways, the chicos is like, you kind of drown your frutas in there. And she asked me, do I put water? And I said, no. It's so fucking bomb.
I can put water.
You can put what?
You can put half a can.
Ah, como te dije, está thick todavía, pero está buena. Marcha, le tomo marcha. No, marcha means great.
Scooby. Stop that.
Marcha in English is like march, right? Well, it's like I'll go for it. I'll march. Like saying I'll march. In Spanish you say marcha. What I mean by that is, even though the sauce is thick, I'm still gonna eat it. That's what I meant by marcha. She made me coffee, but it's too white, no, mama.
I keep telling you que le tienes que echar un chorro de café para que se...
Oh, para que agarre color.
Is it like milk or coffee?
Yeah, it tastes like milk. We better go back to my other decaf, huh? Was that gold one more expensive?
No, like $10.
Because if you need to put more, you know what I mean? Híjole, there's Victor calling me shit. Hold on, guys.